Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. This is an update video related to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is down significantly. The price has fallen off of where previous scenarios were sitting at around 33 cents right now. The bottom line, the point of this is we are absolutely seeing a market correction develop related to the Chinese ban on crypto. Bitcoin has fallen off. Everything is down dramatically. We're going to go take a look at that. This is an overall market correction and market down situation, okay? This is not a Dogecoin specific situation. So I want to really stress that, and we're going to go look at that here in a minute. Before we get to that, as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor nor a stockbroker, and this is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk, okay? Also, public service announcement, scammers below in the comments, WhatsApp, looks like me, don't interface, don't get with those guys. They're trying to take advantage of you. I would never do that to you. All right, let's go take a look at what is going on with Dogecoin right now in this overall pretty bloody and messy carnage situation, not specifically to Doge, to the overall market. But I'll say this before we do this, this is an opportunity. Buy low, sell high, right? This is a buying opportunity to pick up some more. All right, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, we're at 34 cents. We're down 28%. Current market cap rank is 6. We'll look at that here in a minute. Overall volume is up almost 100%. Market cap down 29%. Okay, it's all good. I promise. Everything's going to be okay. 24-hour low and 24-hour high. I really want to point this out. So our 24-hour low has been 21 cents. So we've bounced back from that. Okay, and our high was 68 cents. Interesting. So we must have bounced up overnight or something must have happened because I did not see that. And I covered Dogecoin like 3 times yesterday. So that's intriguing. Anyway, all right. So real quickly, I want to point out a 7-day chart here. So if you look right here on Wednesday, May 19th at 8:14 a.m., we hit 27 cents. We've since bounced back up and we're down just a little bit. So we've got definitely some volatility. Now this chart is not saying and not showing 21 cents. This chart's showing that we hit a low of 27 cents. We might have a little bit of a difference of math scenario. And I can't tell you anywhere that we picked up 68 cents. So I'm not sure what that is about. That might be some bad data. Anyway, that's interesting. Let me refresh this, see if there's something weird going on. Nope, it's still there. Okay, anyway, we have not hit 68 cents in the last 24 hours. I mean, we haven't done that. I covered Doge like 3 times yesterday. All right, so bottom line, 34 cents, down 28%. Okay, let's take a look at why this is going on. By the way, guys, this is not a Dogecoin situation. This is not specifically to Doge, right? This is what is going on. If you look at the overall market correction scenario that's playing out, and actually it's improved a little bit. I did a Shiba video about an hour ago, and this was down like 29%. This was down like, oh no, excuse me, this was down like 40%. This was down 40%. When I did my video this morning, I did a Shiba video. This was $2,000, okay? So it was about 2,000, no, it was like 2,100 or no. I was like, anyway, it was 2,000. It's up to 500. It's bounced back in the last hour. So you can overall 24 hours, these are your 24-hour scenarios. But look at what's going on, okay? So look, Dogecoin is back up 10% in the last hour. So it's come back 10%, and we're down 27% in the last 24 hours, okay? But my point to you is this column right here, the 24-hour column. And by the way, this is on digital coin price. Go check this out for yourself for free. When you go to digital coin price, this is the top 100 cryptos, guys. And I've said this in all my videos. I want to empower you guys. I want you guys to have the info. I look at this thing all day, okay? I refresh this all day because I'm looking at prices, I'm looking at opportunities, but I'm also looking at overall market condition. This tells you that the overall crypto market is absolutely being impacted by the overall sell-off that's happening in crypto, as well as I want to show you this. Look, I'm going to show you this. The Dow 30, down 48. S&P 500 down 55. NASDAQ down 131. Actually, those have come back a little bit. They were down dramatically lower than that earlier. Okay, look, the Dow Jones Industrial down 466. NASDAQ down 130, same thing over here, right? And my point is, and the Russell is down 51%. This is a major Sell-off scenario. This is a major kind of market correction scenario. How long will this last? I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you. But if you look at what is going on in overall crypto, we've actually improved in the last hour, hour and a half. Okay, so I did a video about an hour and a half ago, approximately. No, about an hour ago. And we've improved a little bit. So my point is, this is a market correction scenario. This is not a Dogecoin specific thing, okay? So you need to be looking at situations where you potentially want to buy more at these levels. Again, not investment advice. Invest at your own risk, right? But if you believe in Doge long term and you're like, man, I'm in, Austin, I want to pick up some more, and I think at these levels, guys, I didn't think we'd be back here. Okay. Now, I did not know and could not see the whole China bans crypto scenario playing out. And I think fundamentally that is what is underneath all of this. I think this is the whole China bans thing, and I think bans crypto scenario, and I think this is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is a ton of people out there that are just like running around with their hair caught on fire, and they're like, oh my God, I gotta sell, and they're all freaking out. Well, to me, this shows me that the freak out factor has lessened a little bit. I mean, I'm telling you guys, an hour ago, this was 49%, this was 49%, this was 40%. I mean, these were down dramatically. We have come back from where we were at, but in our price is definitely, we've dropped 28%, right? We've dropped 28% in the last 24 hours, but we see this, we're bouncing back. We've come back up 10%. Again, I'm just going to show you, right? That's why I love this one. Dogecoin's back 10.9%, all right? Look at this, by the way. Tether's jumped up and grabbed the number 3 overall market cap scenario. I don't think they'll stay there very long. I like Tether, by the way. And I think, you've just got a situation playing out here. So let's talk about buying. Let's talk about shopping, okay? Going shopping. At this level, again, not investment advice. Here's the ones that I like. If I don't mention one, it doesn't mean that I do not like it. It means that I haven't really kind of done my due diligence around it. I don't really maybe know as much as I want to know. Okay. You should own a little bit of Bitcoin. This is really goes to the heart of what I talk about all the time. Diversification, risk management, diversify your risk, right? Bitcoin should be in your portfolio. I mean, but the thing, guys, you don't have to buy 30. You don't have to buy one token, one coin at 35,000. And by the way, I mean, this is crazy low price. I did not think we'd be back here. Okay, and if maybe you want to set a price point and say, hey, Austin, if it hits 33,000, I might buy. You can go buy yourself $100 of it, 50, 500. Have a little bit of Bitcoin in your investment scenario as it relates to crypto. Ethereum, absolutely. Everybody should own Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tether is holding up real nicely here. Okay, Tether's a really good, stable crypto. Binance Coin's good. Obviously Doge, you've been talking about that. I love Cardano. Cardano is amazing. XRP, I like XRP, even with all the stuff that's going on with XRP, Ripple, with the SEC and all that kind of stuff. I still am a fan of XRP, absolutely. Don't know a lot about Polkadot, but it's done pretty well overall. And Bitcoin Cash, of course, I like Litecoin. Say that really fast. I'm a fan of Chainlink. Absolutely, I'm a fan of Polygon and Ethereum Classic. Oh yeah, you bet. VE Chain right here, and those are the only ones that kind of right now sitting in this spot that I know enough about and kind of can say, yeah, I do like these. If you're looking for kind of some buying opportunities, those are all pretty good ones. Okay, now don't go all in. Don't put all your money into one single one. You should not have all your money into Doge. You should be spreading your risk related to different different cryptos, etc. But now mentioning stocks, this is a buying opportunity where we're at on the overall market. Go take a look at some stocks that you've been thinking about doing. The EV sector is really good. NIO and some of those guys, and even Tesla, Apple, things like that. Pick up some blue chip stocks over there. If you don't want to invest individual stocks, I say this all the time, put your money into some ETFs. ETFs are a fantastic way to buy into a particular sector. There's ETFs around the EV sector. There's ETFs around just tech. There's ETFs around large cap, small cap, you name it. Kathy Wood and ARK Invest. I don't make a penny, by the way, if you put any money over there. I just love them, and I think that they're one of the best ETF companies out there. Is a good place to put some money in as well. Okay, so again, kind of final state of the union or wrap up here. We have come back a little bit. Let's refresh here real quickly. Dogecoin up 10.9. Let me refresh, see if we've come back a little bit more. No, we've dropped a little bit. So we've only come back 2.59% in the last hour. So we've dropped no. Yeah, right. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Dogecoin. Anyway, long and short of it is, if you have some cash sitting on the side, this is buying opportunities. If you want to weather the storm a little bit, see if this is going to extend into tomorrow, the next day. Maybe maybe say, okay, I'm going to see if all the dust settles. Maybe I'll do it on Monday. Whatever it is, do what's right for you. Okay, and I'll see you down the road. This is okay. Take a breath, and we'll be okay long term. See ya.